Hello, I'll be showcasing TravelMate, our end of semester project. So starting off, we can hit sign up and we can put our username. Since we already have an email, we get an error, and we also have errors if you have the same username or if the passwords don't match. So let's change the email. And we are signed up. So you're directed to the homepage where you can check the weather, you can plan a trip, or you can view planned trips. You can go to the About page, just learn a little bit about TravelMate to be able to plan trips and organize your trips. So let's go back to the homepage. So one thing we can do is we can check the weather. So let's check Atlanta. So if you just put the city, it won't work as we need the city, state, or a city and country. So put Atlanta, Georgia. So we get the current weather, and we also get a 7-day forecast using the weather API. And next, we can plan a trip. So let's say Sandy. Okay, so also for here, it's the same thing as weather. You need a city and state or a city and country. And you can go trip name. So what happened here is that the start date needs to be on today's date or after 25. If you do this, it also has an error, so it needs to be past the start date. So we can do 30. Submit plan, and so there's some different things we use with Open Router API. So you can get the local information in San Diego. We can get cultural dress expectations, and you can get activity advice. Visit some places. You can get a packing list. Since our activity was surfing, there's some things related with packing surfing items. For recommendations as well. All right, now wetsuit. So most of these are recommended based on your activity and location as well. And safety and season. So season, it's calculated on what location and the dates. So it's late spring, typical weather, safety tips for the location, and then safety tips for the season. And we can get a weather forecast. So this is as many days we can get from the weather API. And then you can look at any weather advisories, and there is a weather advisory of wind and some other stuff. And so we can hit save trip, and then the trip is saved. We can open it back up again and then do the same thing. And then we can go to my trips, and then we can also delete it. And yeah, that's our demo of our TravelMate website. Thank you.